students. We'll continue remaining problems of the limits chapter. The 24 completed. 25th problem. For A belongs to R, the set of R means real numbers, A not equal to minus 1. Limit x tends n tends to infinite. N tends to infinite. 1 power A plus 2 power A plus and so on n power A divided by n plus 1 whole power A minus 1 n A plus 1 plus and so on n A plus n is equal to 160. Then find A value. Here in numerator take the common n power A. Question number 25. Take common n power A. So this is limit limit n tends to infinite. N tends to infinite. N power A common. So then what is the value? N power A. Okay. Then what is the value? 1 power A, n power A. So like that 2 power A by n whole power A. So this is also like A power m by B power m can written as A power m by B power m whole can written as A by B whole power m like that. Plus and so on n by n whole power A. Okay. However, this n power A common means here 1. So what is denominator? Denominator n plus 1 whole power A minus 1. This n terms the total. So n how many times? n plus so on n times. N times. Visible students? N times. n times are there. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. Plus n terms. This is the denominator. Convert like this. Denominator convert like this. Right. N power A right here limit n tends to infinite. This can be written as take sigma r is equal to 1 to n r by n whole power A. This is series sigma means plus r substitute 1 by n whole power A, 2 by n whole power A, n by n whole power A. Right. I will multiply 1 by n. So multiply 1 by n means 1 more n, multiply and divide for this. Multiply and divide 1 by n. So denominator n plus n. Okay, in this take common n common n power A minus 1. N common means 1 plus y means tends to infinite means better to taking common 1 by that value tends to 0. Either x tends to r, n tends to, problems are like that. This is 1 by n whole power A minus 1. A plus 10 times. What is the value? 10a. So like that n times means na. 10a means na n times means n into n. 1, 2 plus and so on n. Sum of the first natural numbers. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is as a limit as a sum. From integration, limit as sum. This is converted as the integration. Sigma means here. Okay, afterwards we cancel. N power 1, n power A, limit n. This can be written as 1 by sigma means integration. Limit integration sigma means integration. R means x. 1 by means dx. Okay. R is least value. Here R least value. R is equal to 1 to substitute in this one. 1 by n, apply n tends to infinity. 1 by n, infinity means 0. So that is nothing but a lower limit. And greatest value, n by n, n tends to infinity, n by n value 1, n tends to infinity, n by n value 1 means this is upper limit. Okay, clear? So this total value converted by integration concept, so convert like this. Clear? Right, students? So this is x power a divided by, this is n power a, n power minus 1, 1 plus, for this limit n tends to for full, this problem limit n tends to infinite for full. So that's why again for this limit n tends to infinite. Numerator is like integration, for the denominator limit n tends to infinite, and here n square. Okay. Here one more n will take common. N 1 plus 1 by n divided by 2, right? Okay. N power a cancel. What is the x power n? X power n integration. What x power n integration? X to the power of n plus 1. So like that, x to the power of a plus 1 by a plus 1. Lower limit 0, upper limit 1. Here one more n is there. Divided by 1 by n. This is n power minus 1 can written as 1 by n. And take n square common. N square common outside. And here limit n tends to infinite. This is limit n tends to infinite. Limit n tends to infinite. 1 by n. N square common. 1 plus 1 by n whole power. Here a minus 1. A minus 1. And next here is a plus, and this value 1 plus 1 by n, 1 plus 1 by n divided by 2. Okay, so this n square, 1 power a plus 1 only, by a plus 1 minus lower limit 0 power something, 0 by 0, so this is 0, divided by limit n tends to infinite n square. Okay, 1 plus 1 by n a power minus 1, otherwise directly substitute. Okay, after cancellation, n square limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 1 by n a minus 1. So this value is equal to 2a plus 1 plus 1 by n divided by 2. Okay, right, n square cancel, n square cancel. So this reciprocal of numerator n tends to infinite 1 plus 1 by n. So this value is equal to 1 by a plus 1 whole divided by 1 plus 0 whole power a minus 1, 2a plus 1 plus 0. Okay, into this is whole divided by 2. This can be written as 1 by a plus 1 into 2 by 2a plus 1, 2 by 2a plus 1. So what is the answer? And is equal to 60. 1 by 60, that is equal to 1 by 60. Right? Okay. 60 cross multiply. Cross multiply means so this is 120 multiple with this one. Multiple with this one. 2a square, 2a plus a, 3a plus 1. Therefore, 2a square plus 3a, take this side, minus 119 is equal to 0. We want they ask a value. Or they ask, then a is equal to. So, using quadratic equation, I'll find factors, no problem. Using quadratic equation, what is value? Minus b plus or minus, this is minus b plus or minus b square 3 square minus 4 into a value 2 into minus 119 divided by 2 into 2a. So minus 3 plus or minus 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 plus. So that implies what is this value? 8 119 into 8 8 9 72 8 1 8 7 15 8 1 8 9 9 52 plus 9 1 6 961. Okay, what is the value? 961. 31 possible? 1 3 3 3 this 9. Okay, 961. 31 is the factor of 961. This is 961 divided by 4. That implies minus, this is 31 by 4. 1 time plus a values are 2 minus 3 plus 31 by 4 and a is equal to minus 3 minus 31 by 4. So this is equal to 31 minus 3. That implies 28 by 4 and a is equal to minus 34 by 4. This is minus 17 by 2. This is 7. A is equal to 7 and a is equal to minus 17 by 2. Which option is the correct answer? So a is equal to 7 not there, minus out there. A is equal to minus 17 by 2. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next, 26, using L'Hospital rule will find. 2 times L'Hospital rule will apply. First time L'Hospital rule means, okay, again undetermined form. Again you are using L'Hospital rule. Okay, 27. E power x square, limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0, e power x square minus cos x divided by x square is equal to, okay, this also using L'Hospital. Suppose there is substitute e power 0 1 minus cos 0 1 1 minus 1 by 0 0 by 0 first case 0 by 0 undetermined form, okay, undetermined form. So to convert either L'Hospital rule or some means any format you can do this one. So like this, limit extends to 0. We know already explained starting e power x expansion, e power x expansion 1 plus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Cos x expansion 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x 4 by 4 factorial minus and so on. That is the expansions. Okay, right. That is therefore e power x plus x square is there. 1 plus x square by 1 factorial x square whole square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Okay. Substitute this way. Minus 1 minus x square by 2 factorial x power 4 by 4 factorial minus and so on divided by x square. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Clear? Limit extends to 0. X square terms common. So this here is x square by x square minus into minus plus. So therefore 2x square by 2 factorial. Next plus x power 4 minus x power 4. Therefore x square by 2. So therefore this is 4 factorial. X power 4 means 1 by 2 factorial into minus 1 by 4 factorial of x power 4. So remaining terms we neglect. Y means denominator x square is there. Suppose it will cancel and remaining x square is there. X tends to 0. 0 into something 0. However, remaining two values also more than the x power 4. Therefore, zeros. All terms are zeros. Right. To do cancel. To do cancel. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, x square by x square plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial x power 4 by x square. So here is x square. Limit x tends to 0, this cancel 1. Therefore, this value 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So that is the answer. Question is okay. No option 1 no 3 by 2 1 by 2 1. Third option. Okay. Third option. Take wait a minute. Third option only given, but once you take x square by 1 factorial, here x square by 2 factorial. Right. X square common 1 means 1 plus minus plus 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. Okay. So remain term 0. So the answer is 3 by 2. So first option. Okay. Answer key given question number 27. So that's one first option 3 by 2. Third option here x square quotient 1 factorial is 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 1 by 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 cancel. Next 28. Limit x tends to infinite, x tends to infinite, and what happened? So suppose if you substitute direct this value a1 power 1 by x means 0. 0 1 by 0 means 1 by infinite, 1 by infinite means 0. So that is plus a power 0 and so on. Denominator n and whole power n power x. So n power x means that is power to the power of infinity, that also undetermined form. So you can convert. Let it be take let x is equal to take 1 by y. What 1 by x tends to 1 by x is equal to y. 1 by x is equal to y. Here given limit x tends to infinite. X tends to infinite. X is equal to 1 by y. So y is equal to 1 by infinity. That implies y tends to 0. Y tends to 0. So limit like convert y tends to 0. Problem is a1 1 by x means a1 power y plus a2 power y plus and so on an power y divided by n divided by n. So that implies n power x by x is n by y. Okay, n by y. Y value 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on. Right. This also some value and n power y. N power y means n by 0 infinity. N by 0 infinity. Okay. N by y, this can be written as a1 y plus a2 y plus and so on an y divided by n minus 1. So f of x is equal to 1, g of x is equal to infinity, f of x whole power g of x then e power, or else Take log on both sides, that also. Okay. This value 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on n. Okay, students, understand? E power limit extends to a g of x f of x minus 1. This is the formula. Understand? Suppose y tends to 0, a1 power 0, a1 power 0 plus and so on, a1 power 0. How many? 1, 1, 1, 1. How many times 1? N times. N by n, 1. So this is substitute direct means this is inside value 1. Outside, outer value something by 0 infinity. F of x is equal to 1, g of x is equal to infinity, 1 to the power of infinity. You apply to remove the this one undetermined form. Use this formula f of x whole power g of x formula f of x whole power g of x. That implies you can convert another right formula e power limit extends to a g of x. Power value right here g of x into f of x minus 1. So like that I wrote like this one. Limit extends to a x a plus 0 g of x and f of x minus 1. Okay. Okay, you understand this 1 power infinity. This is bracket. Right, take LCM. Limit y tends to 0, n outside right n, y inside you multiply. Okay, one first of all, a1 power n plus y, a2 power y plus and so on, an power y minus n. Okay, n, right, n and cancel. Limit y tends to 0. Here n into 1. N means n into 1. How many ones? Suppose 1 10 times add means 10 into 1 10. So like that a1 power y plus a2 power y plus and so on plus an power y minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? N times. N times divided by y. Limit y tends to 0. a1 power y minus 1 value right here divided by split a2 power y minus 1 by y. So like that and so on plus and so on plus an whole power y minus 1 divided by y. Clear? Understand? Formula a power x minus limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x log a, that is the formula. Therefore this is equal to log a1 plus log a2 plus log and so on log an. So finally log a1 plus this is e power, total e power 1. So total e power. So this is e power. So therefore e power log a plus log b plus and so on log n. Log a1 a b c product rule. Logarithm of a1 into a2 into a3 and so on product an. So there is this is base e log e a1 into log cancel. So final answer is a1 a2 and so on an. So this is the answer. Okay, fourth option is the correct answer. You try. E power x minus 1 by x if you want x plus sin x is there. Multiple and divided by sin x. For sin x by x value 1, e power sin x minus 1 by sin x value is equal to 1. So third option is the correct answer. 29 homework and 30. 30 also same this model. You try this problem. Okay, clear? 30 also same model. Here Substitute x tends to 0 direct. A power 0 plus b power 0 plus b power c power 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is 3 by 3? Whole power infinity. 1 power infinity. Apply this part. Okay. So like that 3 minus 1. 3 ones. So each one separate, separate, separate. You get answer. This log a1, log a2 like that. Next 31. 15 power limit, what is this one? Limit x tends to 0, 15 power x minus 5 power x minus 3 power x plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x. Right. Limit x tends to 0, 15 can be written as 10 into 5 whole power x minus 5x minus 5 into 3. 5 into 15. 3 power x plus 1. Okay, in this 5 power x is common. Denominator 1 minus cos 2x formula 2 sin square x. So this is equal to 5 power x common. 3 power x minus 1. Minus 1 common. 3 power x minus 1 divided by 2 sin square x. Limit x tends to 0. Okay, right? Limit x tends to 0. 5 power x minus 1, 3 power x minus 1. I write 2 here and 1 by sin square x. Okay, we know like this formula. A power x minus 1 by x log a. So like that we want to here 1 more x. Here also 1 more x into x square. So multiply and divide by x square here. This value log 5, log 3. So therefore 1 by 2 log 5 log 3 sin x by x value 1, x tends to 0. So here is sin square x by x square, but this is reciprocal, that value is 1. So this is answer 1 by 2. So first option is the correct answer. Log 3 log 5 divided by 2. Okay. This 32 will try. Same like this model. Same this model. And 33. X power 4 limit x tends to minus 1. X tends to minus 1. X power 4 x square plus x plus 1 divided by, okay, whole bracket x square minus x plus 1 minus cos x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Clear? Right. Substitute minus 1. What happened? Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by, what is this value? 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Denominator value 1 minus into minus plus 1. So this is cancelled. This is 2 by 3. So inside value is 2 by 3. But outside there is a power value 1 minus 1 plus 1 cos 0 1 minus 1 0 by this value minus 1 plus 1 0 by 0 undetermined form. This is 0 by 0 undetermined form. Okay, right. This value. So I will take separate this one. Limit x tends to minus 1. 1 minus cos x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Take separate first of all. Okay, 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2 cos 2x formula divided by x plus 1 whole square. Sin square x by 2. So here also you want to square means divided by 2 whole side inside means that is by 2 is 4. So multiply and divide by 4. So this value limit x tends to minus 1 means what? X tends to minus 1 means x plus 1 tends to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 tends to 0. Clear? Right. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x 1. Okay. 1 into 2 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 2. So inside value, what is inside value? Therefore, that is equal to inside value 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. That is, so that is square root of 2 by 3. Second option. Okay, 34 also same previous model. We will try. Here 1 power cosecant square x, 2 power cosecant square x, like that. Let it be some y. Let cosecant square x is equal to y. What happened? 1 power y, 2 power y plus and so on plus n power y. So this value is equal to cosecant square x is equal to y means what happened this value from this 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x is equal to y. Sin square x is equal to 1 by y. Sin square x is equal to 1 by y. So that implies limit x tends to 0. Cosecant square x tends to 0 also. What happened? Cosecant square x tends to 0. That implies y tends to 0. Understand? Actually, given problem is x tends to 0. Cosecant square x tends to also 0. Apply that implies y tends to 0. Suppose this value, what is this value? Divided by anything is there? Divided by not there. Suppose you can write this value. Is equal to, okay, this value 1 power 0, 1 power 0 and so on n power 0 all ones, so that implies 1 by 0 infinite, n to the power of infinity. N to the power of infinity means divided by n means okay, no problem. Multiply divide first, otherwise n by, so this n you multiply. Okay, then convert as like previous problem. So n by n bar 1 tends to infinite. So apply n as is you take like this. G of x e power g of x means 1 by y. Same n here. Limit y tends to 0. G of x 1 power y, 2 power y plus and so on n power y minus 1, f of x minus 1 divided by n. Same as it is like this problem we did question number 28 model. Okay, same like that we'll do. Option will get answer third option. 35th problem. A, B, C and D are positive, then limit x tends to infinity. So suppose x tends to infinity, substitute to direct first of all. What happened? 1 plus 1 by 0. 1 plus 1 by 0. That value, sorry, 1 plus 1 by infinity. That value like this one. 1 plus 1 by a plus bx. This value infinity means 1 plus 0, 1 whole power c plus dx. C plus dx means x plus infinity means 1 power infinity. Say this formula e power limit x tends to a g of x f of x minus 1. Use that formula. Okay, that is also homework. Right. 36. 36 f double dash 0 is equal to a, then suppose if you substitute x dash to 0, 2 into f of 0, 3 into f of 0 plus f of 0, that value 0 by 0 undetermined. So using L'Hospital rule, try this one. Okay, 36. What is L'Hospital rule? 2 into f dash x minus 3 into f dash 2x, and inside 2x derivative value 2. 2x derivative value 2 plus f dash 4x, 4x derivative value 4 divided by x square derivative 2x, limit x tends to 0. Substitute now 0, f dash 0, 3 f dash 0 into 6, 3 to 6. So 2 f dash 0, 6 f dash 0 and plus 4 f dash 0. So finally 6 f dash 0 minus 6 f dash 0, 0 by 2 into 0, 0, 0 by 0 again 0 by 0, undetermined form. And second time L'Hospital, first time L'Hospital rule, second time again f double dash 2 times the second derivative. Okay, limit x tends to 0, 2 into f double dash x minus 3 into already 2 3 6 f double dash x double dash 2x into 2 again plus 4 is there already, and f double dash 4x again 4 divided by 2x derivative 2. Now substitute f double dash 0, so means 2 times of f double dash 0 minus 12 times of f double dash 0 plus 16 times of f double dash 0 divided by 2. So that is equal to how much? This was 16 to 18, 18 minus 2, 6 f double dash 0 divided by 2, 2 3s, any value given, f double dash value k. So therefore 3k is the answer, third option. Okay, right. 37, x tends to pi by 6, you substitute direct 2 sin square x, pi by 6 means 30, sin pi by 6 1 by 2, so 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. What is this answer? 0. So the denominator also 0, 0 by 0, apply L'Hospital rule. Okay, right. 38. F of 1 is equal to 3 and f dash 1 is equal to 6. Okay, limit that equals to, apply for this also L'Hospital rule. Suppose direct substitute what happen? 1 plus 0 f of 1, f of 1 by f of 1. How much students? F of 1 by f of 1, 1 by 0 infinity, that also 1 to the power of infinity, f of x tends to g of x. Here also apply, you can apply what the formula, like f of 1 plus x e power that value 1 by x, f of 1 plus x by f of 1 minus 1. Clear? This is equal to f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 divided by f of 1. F of 1 value 3 given. So that x here, right here. F of 1 value 3 right outside. This is e power. Okay. Limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0, 1 by 3 e power. Okay, this is the form of a first principle, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, that is f dash x derivative x plus 1. So therefore 1 by 3 into f dash 1 E is equal to 1 by 3 into f dash 1 value given 6. So 3 2's. Therefore answer is E square. Clear? Option 3. Otherwise take log and both sides also. You can do this problem. Right. 39. The value of limit extends to 0. Remember this formula. So many problems applied this type of formula. Okay. Remember. And one more formula is there. Suppose this is f of x is equal to 1 and g of x is equal to infinity. That means that problem like this one, limit extends to a. So then we can apply e power g limit extends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. So this formula applied for so many problems. So remember this formula. And one more formula. F of x is equal to 0 and g of x is equal to 1. Then the next one same like this one, e power limit extends to a f of x g of x into log f of x. So this is one more formula. Okay, right. Next term. Limit extends to 0 to x square cos square t dt divided by limit extends to 0 for both. Limit extends to 0 for both. This is integration. Divided by x sin x. X sin x. Okay, so that formula f of x is equal to 0 and g of x also 0. Then you apply limit extends to a g of x into log f of x. That formula, second formula. Alright, here. So apply denominator 0 into sin 0. Undetermined form. Okay, apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. How to apply for this derivative? Derivative L'Hospital means f dash x by f dash x. So here integration is there by Leibniz rule. By Leibniz rule. So this one. Suppose this is f of x. This is g of x. Here is function x dx. What is Leibniz? How to apply this derivative means g of x into g dash x minus x place this one substitute f of x into f dash x. This is the Leibniz rule. Like this apply for this. Okay. Cos square t plus x square. Cos square x square given, right? Cos square x square into g dash x means this one 2x minus cos square 0 value 1 into 0 divided by 0. It is not possible, not necessary. Take that one. Divided by this is limit extends to 0. Denominator UV formula, okay, x into cos x plus sin x into x derivative 1, right? Okay. Now x tends to 0. Now we will take cos 0 value 1 and 2 into 0 value 0. 0 into something 0. So this is 0 divided by and sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1 into 0. So this also undetermined form. Undetermined form. Okay. Again apply L'Hospital rule. Splitting possible. one thing. Limit x tends to 0, 2x cos square x square. Take x common first of all. That's why last part also okay, no problem. Simple remove sin x by x. X cancel. Now clear. Now apply. Cos 0 value 1. Cos 0 value 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x value 1. Formula. So direct 2 into cos 0 value 1 plus cos 0 value 1 plus limit x tends to 0 sin x by x value 1. So therefore 2 by 2 answer is equal to 1. 39. 39. Second option 1. You'll try. Suppose direct substitute means secant pi by 2 and determine infinity. So secant can be written as 1 by cos, tan can be written as sin by cos. Take LCM and find, you get the undetermined form. Apply L'Hospital. Right. 41. The graph of the function y is equal to f of x as a unique tangent at a point a comma 0. Tangent means we want slope and points given a comma 0 through which the graph passes. The graph passes, then limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. 41. Logarithm of e 1 plus 6 f of x divided by 3 f of x. Okay. Suppose there is substitute. Point also given, y curve given, and the point to a comma 0. Suppose there is substitute, what happened? F of 0 value 0. Okay. F of 0 value 0 and not given. F of 0 value substitute means 3 into f of 0. It is not possible. Compulsory. The graph unique tangent. Tangent means we want that derivative. Using L'Hospital to find that limit x tends to 0. Log x derivative 1 by 1 plus 1 by x 6 into f of x, and this is the function derivative into what is function? 0 plus 6 into f dash x. 6 into f dash x whole divided by 3 into f dash x. Clear? Okay. F dash x right outside. F dash x limit x tends to 0, 6 divided by 1 plus this f dash x also right outside. F dash x 1 plus 6 f of x into 3. Right? Now f dash x cancel. So before through the point, passing through the point means direct means f of what's a value? F of a value substitute. Now limit x tends to 0. What is the point? X point. X point is equal to a, and related to f of a value is equal to 0. So 3 2's. 2 divided by 1 plus 6 f of a. Pointing and passing to the point. Therefore, f of a value 0. 2 by 1 plus 6 into f of a value means a comma 0. X coded here, y coded 0. Therefore, 2 is the answer. This okay, 2 is the answer, but not there. 1 first option 0, second option 1, 3 is equal to minus 15 by 2, fourth option none of this, 41. Okay, fourth option none of this. Next 42. Limit x tends to infinity. infinity x cube plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus of ax plus b is equal to 2. Then means this limit exists at that value, then only answer is possible. So it exists. Okay, is good. Right. Limit extends to infinity. Take LCM. What is LCM? X square plus 1 x cube plus 1 minus ax plus b minus ax plus b LCM x square plus 1 times. Right. Limit extends to infinity x cube plus 1 minus ax cube minus ax cube minus ax minus bx square minus b divided by x square plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, x cube take common, 1 minus a. Okay, clear? Minus bx square minus ax minus b divided by x square plus 1. Limit extends to infinity. Denominator x square common. Why means this is extends to infinite? Direct substitute means okay, that is infinity. Limit extends to infinity x cube a minus 1 minus bx square minus ax minus b divided by x square common, 1 plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. X square split divided by with each term. Then limit extends to infinity a minus 1 into x minus b, x square by x square cancel, minus a by x minus b by x square divided by 1 plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Clear? Right. Now apply extends to infinite. This value is equal to 0. This value 0. This value 0. This value constant equal. That implies what happened? Minus b is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 2. When it is exist, when it is possible. So this value is 0. Then only it exists. This value 0. This value 0. Then minus b is equal to 2. And this remaining value also 0. Then only possible this constant value is equal to 2. That's why that implies a minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 1. So finally a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Okay. Option 3, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2. That is that option. 43, we will try. First of all, limit extends to infinite, f of x value find. Suppose in that is nothing but infinite by infinite. Okay, apply take x common, and when x tends to infinite means numerator x is there, denominator also first degree x. Take common, cancel, will get answer a is equal to 1. Substitute re again in that x plus b by x plus 1. Okay, apply L'Hospital rule, you will get answer b value, and re again substitute and find f of x at x is equal to 0, value is equal to 2. We get an equation, and next finally find f minus 2. Try this problem. Now 44. limit 44. That is extends to n tends to infinite. Limit n tends to infinity cos pi n square plus n square root. Okay. n belongs to I. Right. Square root is equal to the power of 1 by 2. Limit n tends to infinity cos n square common 1 plus 1 by n. Right. This is equal to the power of 1 by 2 and pi outside is there. Pi outside. Limit n tends to infinity cos n square outside is square and root cancel. So therefore pi n 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of 1 by 2. The binomial theorem expansion 1 plus x whole power, this is a rational denominator, rational index. Okay, that is formula 1 plus x whole power rational index, that means this value 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into x square and so on, plus and so on, like that. So this is the form of binomial theorem. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity cos pi n 1 plus 1 by 2n 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. How much? Well, 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 is there. So x place 1 by n whole square plus and so on. Cos pi n, suppose this is 1 by pi n, inside you multiply pi plus n cancel. So pi by 2 and this is minus 1n cancel. Pi by 8 into 1 by n plus and so on. Right. This can be written as cos pi by 2 plus pi minus pi by 8n plus and so on. Okay. Suppose we treat it as this is one function, pi by 2 plus thing, pi by 2 plus some value. What is cos pi by 2 plus value? Limit n tends to infinity. Okay. 90 plus theta minus sine pi minus pi by 8n plus and so on. This value. Limit n tends to infinity. Clear? Okay. Sine value, sine 180 minus theta value plus, no problem. Minus value when you will get 2 pi minus. So that's why depend on like this one. Minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 sine pi minus pi by 8n plus and so on. Okay, depend on this one. Minus plus automatically will get limit n tends to infinity. Okay, what is this value? Sin pi. Okay, na? So finally, limit n tends to infinity multiply. This denominator is equal to infinity. Something by infinity 0. Sin pi value is equal to. So first option is the correct answer. 44, first option. 45. Right. Limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity. X power power m by e power x is equal to 0. E power x is equal to 0. N some integer for no values of n. It satisfies no values of n, all values of n, only negative values of n, only positive values of n. Okay, we check out positive values, negative values, and non-negative and non-positive some zero value. That also we check. Suppose n is positive integer, right? Limit extends to infinity x power n e power x. They ask what? All integers. Right. Direct substitute means what happened here? Infinity by infinity undetermined form. Infinity by infinity undetermined form. First apply first time L'Hospital rule. First time, okay, take this one, infinity by infinity L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital? Limit extends to infinity n into x to the power of n minus 1. N into x to the power of n minus 1. E power x derivative e power x. Again infinity means infinite. Second time derivative, second time L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to infinity n into n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 2. Again this value. So again the substitute infinitely, not get 0. So until last we get what is answer? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So last value is equal to 2 into 1. So on. So finally what is this value? This value is nothing but n factorial. So divided by e power x. Limit n tends to infinity. Sorry, x tends to infinity. X tends to infinity n factorial by e power x. Okay, n factorial by e power infinity. E value 2.7 something, 2 something and so on means so greater value infinity. Therefore, something by infinity. This is equal to 0. Okay, satisfied. For positive value, it is satisfied. Take negative value. N is equal to negative. Limit x tends to infinity x power some value n is equal to some m minus m. Negative value means some m. X power minus m divided by e power x. Limit x tends to infinity. This can be written as x power m e power x. X tends to infinity. Okay, x tends to infinity means infinite value. Infinite value to the power m, that is infinite value. This also infinite value. 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So this value is equal to 0. But negative values also satisfied. Next case, if n is equal to 0, take negative integers, positive integers, and 0 at 0. Right. Limit x tends to infinity. N value 0. X power n. Problem is x power n divided by e power x. Limit x tends to infinity. X power 0 by e power x. Limit x tends to infinity. 1 by e power x. Now substitute x tends to infinity. 1 by infinity. That value is 0. So finally, for all values 0. So which option is correct answer? All values of n. N is a integer. Positive integers, negative integers, and 0 also. Okay, students, we completed the limits chapter. Next class we will start limits and continuity chapter. Continuity and differentiation.